I-love language yakho ime kanjani?
isiZulu nje kuphela.
Ujima ngamanqapsi ufaka nekepisi endlini abakufundisanga kini ukuthi awuthwale endlini.
Ngumqondisi lokhuluma naye.
Mana lokho.
Umhlaba umasipala ngekanizophikisa phezulu.
Come on.
Hayi kodwa ngangiyiluzi game ngesimanga sakho ukuthi ngiye gamini. Hayi umuhle phela kusazana kodwa hayi khohle kodwa ingeke.
No kuhamba wena brawa.
Wamba mina.
Yeah, angisho abafuni wena. Abafuni wena. Hlala phansi manje. Abafuni wena.
Hamba put next.
You are unwanted.
Next better chicken.
Kodwa ke nkosazana ke uthando.
Usakhuluma?
Uthando.
Oh, siyabonga.
His love didn't help him. I thought Baganias. Why though?
Nah, like he's too Zulu for my liking.
How?
They're good guys.
Iskru mdala kanje. Kumdala kanje.
Yabona he just said ngizoncenga literally. So nje hayi.
Atufuna ngobani? Ufuna ngobani?
So the next guy.
Yeah.
Okay, next guy.
Akwenze.
Mbona. Yebo. Njani? Siyaphila.
This guy came in ngathi uzwile ukuthi lana akumele ube aggressive, wena come in calm.
Then yours 45 seconds starts now.
Hi, kuthunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani ntombi?
Ngiyaphila, igama lami Thokozane.
Oh, awusemuhle. Cha igama lami nawo Bongosa wakho mala. Ekhaya kuseNewcastle.
Oh, hayi.
Hawu, kabe yaseNewcastle.
Kwazi manje Bongosa angitshele la.
Yama.
I-love language yakho ime kanjani?
isiZulu nje kuphela.
Mara yazini. Uzuhlelele naphambili ngiyasho ukuthi at least uyathembisa.
Kanti kezala.
isiZulu.
Uthuphelile.
Uphelile.
It means
Ngokungazi nje yini love language.
so tell love language.
I-love language is Zulu. Are you for real, bro?
If love language is Zulu, what is your home language?
Bro,
Come on.
it's Zulu. What is Zulu?
My brother, get up and walk, I can't lie.
Hayi ndawo asakashayile uthi hamba. Uhlelo lahambile.
Nice to meet you though.
Hayi.
Yamadoda wa last na 2 seconds, nalona.
Build anything.
They don't even last 2 seconds.
Meet Base 44,
Yamashinja.
a complete AI creation
Yamashinja boy.
platform.
Hayi khuluma isiZulu sisekhuluma into yeswa manje.
Hi.
Because he doesn't understand love language.
Yabon.
Why
Hence I was
if
saying,
he's good with physical touch?
but then he doesn't
What
know
if
that.
he's good with it, but you didn't know?
He like love language is literally like the simplest thing, like simplest term you should know in 2025. For him to say Zulu, that's illiterate, bro.
What do you
and I
think?
can't deal with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next better chicken.
Ezindoda mele ufunde. As you witness now, mele ufunde as a man.
Seconds. And you have 60 seconds left now.
Uziscora ke manje.
Hi.
Hello. Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyapila. I like the muscles, but you could have done a better thing with the outfits. But then
I know.
Kanti ufunani? Does a man need to be perfect?
the muscles.
Part of the blend.
How?
What blend?
This is part of the blend.
So gama lakho.
Ubongusa ngasemambathini.
Right, mina nguthokozane.
Thokozane.
Wasemajalini.
Manjali.
Emajalini, amandebele.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah. No, like you look nice. I really like your body structure, but then the outfits is just like not giving. But then your potential.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, Alazi, you can do better.
I'm not gonna do better. That's the thing.
I should have food.
Thank you.
Yo. Uqosha kanjalo.
Do better.
Oh no, sekacengile don't pop this shine this. Me I'm worried now. I'm saying amajida not sharing this one. Sebathi manje banxosha. Sekathe.
Thank you.
Yo.
So Albatlan.
Mina angidui better. Inkinga yami le.
She can't say no to 3 guys. She wants to finish all the guys in the house.
It's fine.
It's
fine. No.
You know what I see? Because me, I deal with relationships a lot, a potential.
But mina angiduyiswa better. That's the
Don't
thing.
worry.
That's the only thing that
Don't worry. Once wamshaya uzomamela. Ngimamela.
No, lalela.
Mamela, mawumshaya uzomamela. I say no to 3 guys, my sister. Based on the outfit, uzoyiwasha mus. Can't you wash it and iron it yourself?
Joseph,
Nah, this one I'm trying to fix. Aye. You guys can ask me. You guys are the couple of the. Yeah. Couple of the.
Jaco love doctor. Jaco love doctor.
Yeah, I'm going to when how you fix this keeper, when I fix your mind, fix this keeper. Ow.
Fix her makeup. Like she's wearing makeup that is not hair. Like let's ask her up, dog. She's judging Bruce on what Bruce are wearing, and she's wearing makeup. I keep it. I keep it morning.
It's enough. You guys are a couple of the night.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
You can't lie, dog. Say.
Yes, mbambenge hug. Okay.
Awusuka nini?
Just fix a let's keep.
Fix.
My shirt na tattoo. Mara is fine. You said you are cooking. We'll see what you are cooking.
Yabona ungamukele nginje. Kuyoze kuphele kwinginje.
Yeah. Make sure you work in bed,
I know.
The outfit didn't work
But
for him.
Ikora.
It's a myth, Angit. It's a myth. It's a myth.
Hey, my sister. Oh. If your outfit didn't work, at least work in bed. That's what I'm just saying. Next couple, better. Next movement. This guy sometimes, like, I don't understand.
Wait, bamthathe.
The material. Sometimes you are
This one like ngathi bamtshele bathi vuka gqoka sambe. It didn't come prepared.
hold the machine. No. Yeah, so yours 60 seconds starts now.
Okay.
Sesinjani?
Ndiyaphila Nkosi njani?
Hayi ngiyaphila. Hayi nasesike try man ngimsuthu mara akushebilana man ngikhathatha ke bona lenyalo man ke bona.
Ngathi uzawundibhida betwa phela.
Yeah.
Yes, bekafaka i-energy. Bekasathi uyapheka.
Mara akushebilana man.
Mpeke.
Lenyalo man ke bona.
Ngathi uzawundibhida
Yeah, shapa kanjalo.
Engathi uzawunaenda uyoqalekisa khawukhawukhawuza.
It's a cold word.
Ungathi uthetha kakhulu.
Tall, handsome.
Yeah, utall yena uhandsome uright. Ndiyathetha mana ndi
So it's about
Yeah.
Ngabuzothola ukuthi bekenzela ukushare.
but your love language is loud.
Kakhulu.
Yeah, too loud.
Uzanixaka kancinci.
Ukufilise free urubona like.
Hayi akhange ndithi South Africa lokusa undenza abantu. Hayi ndithi South Africa. Hayi ndithi South Africa.
Wena bofuna ukumferia ne kahle kahle.
I know.
Bofuna ukumferia. Iyo ne. Ngishaya khona. Bofuna ukumferia ne.
Acha mi sister njo.
Ngigqibile mntasana makaso.
Awumfundi. Baraba.
Uzoliphinda boy.
Yeah.
Spam dog, spam.
Sapinyana nje.
Awumzuluke manje
Stop
qhamukayo.
taking meeting notes and let click
Mzuluke manje qhamukayo.
for you. It allows you to focus on your meetings,
Bona
not
she
your
does it
notes.
umzulu.
It
Yours 30 seconds starts now.
Njani Ntokazi?
Ndiyaphila Nkosi.
Ngiyaphila konje bayigama Ntokazi.
Igama lami ngu-Ivana.
Umqondisi lokhuluma naye. Kukhona mana kukhona lapho usohlonipha khona.
Uconnecte me?
Kukhona lapho usohlonipha.
Hayi mathethela phezulu andikuva nawe.
Kukhona nalapho usohlonipha khona.
Hayi nje ndingalapha mfundini kodwa ikhona indawo endihlonipha kuyo asundigezela wena.
Kodwa phela zikhishwa ngezinye.
Hayi ndiyakuva. So ngumuntu onjani mfundini khanti qhapha.
Cha dog, we need the muti. Like Umchita has her sitting like this manje. Like she's locked in. She's locked in.
Lela mhlambe.
Ngumuntu othanda like uthetha, uthanda ntoni, uthanda uphuma, sentsho ipersonality yakho ngumuntu onjani? Uprefera umuntu onjani wena? Asiba nomoya.
Iphelile. Ndizobona seniyajola manje. This is your person for the day. This is your person for the show. Yes.
Okay.
Niyabona lento. Niyahlangana. Okay. All right, clap hands for them. This is a
What did this brother do? What was the method there? What did he do that was so special?
Uma sencho personality.
Mlalele, I think it was the introduction. Uvela tatazela my sister same time.
Mana khona lapho sohlonipha khona.
Connect me?
Ukhona lapho sohlonipha.
Ah, mandithela phezulu ukuva nawe.
Kukhona nalapho sohlonipha khona.
Fukaneni.
Ndingalapha for
I was there with the feelers.
Ugezela wena.
Kodwa phela.
Alright, let's go back. You see what he did there?
I've been singing for...
Wait.
Man, deep inside is up. Next better people, cause yeah.
Ngenyama mchana. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. All the week, dog. Ngenyama. Ngenyama.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. But what are you doing on my show?
I'm looking for love. I've been singing for quite some time now.
Namanga this one.
So I need a partner.
So you lost a partner, now you want one?
Yeah.
You fucked
Because
up
I regret all my actions.
Yeah, I knew it was her.
Oh, you regret favoring.
Yeah.
Now are you a good person?
I've changed.
There's the camera. Tell
People
the camera.
change.
Tell
People don't
tell
change.
The camera you changed.
People
Don't change. My sister, people don't change.
People change.
Tell the camera. you
Lapho
changed.
she has cheated on so many men, but so the people change.
Hey, convince them.
Now I'm saying Shinchil. Yes.
No.
I've changed. For the
There's no such.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You hurt my people, my sister. I don't understand what
Guys, I'm being for real. I've changed.
Up
then. Let's see who we got for you. Hey, what my sister? I don't. You understand how she favored, bro?
This looks like a Nigerian brother.
Before you start, she was favoring on her last relationship.
There's no need for that.
Okay, sharp.
We're rapper, pre-rapper. Yabona Joseph yamfuna.
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti?
Ngiyaphila nami. Oh, igama uNhlanhla.
Ngokuhle.
Sibonga ngwane.
Ngohambokazi.
Oh. Jabula ukwazi.
Ngiyajabula ukwazi.
Ngiyashisa noma kushisa wena. Sasishisa nje singasakho manje.
I guess it's me. Yeah.
Yo?
Washo?
Now uyazibonela.
Now uyazibonela, take it back my brother. Take it back. Sekenza kakhulu. Mtshela ukuthi hayi, bengi-wrong. Bengi-wrong.
Relax, ngisazosukuma. It's still early. Chill.
Oh, ngichill.
Yeah. So what do you do?
Uthi uyamzama dog.
Yasikasa yabona yini.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ungangikhona mina. Mawucabanga nje.
In terms of what?
Lona kakhonwa ngama-actions, ukhonwa ngemali.
Yabona-ke masufika endabeni zemali kube inkinga kodwa ke khuleka mani leyo sizo ukuthi siphela khona la engikude khona ngizona.
Angifuni umuntu ochazayo imali beniyikhipha.
Tshelile ngimkhuzile ungasho ukuthi ngimkhuzanga ngimkhuzile.
You guys did. Now you guys didn't press. You guys did. Now you are the date of the. You press like this.
Oh, was when?
Yeah, bengazi.
Oh, you didn't want to.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't want to.
My brother wants to run away now. He pocket till I cannot maintain this. I'm going.
You guys are the show of the couple. Yeah. The couple of their show couple next to each other.
Ah, usho ukuthi sithanda sami.
Yeah, sithanda sami said it's a show. Ngicela nihakane lapha.
Okay, ngisajahile now.
No! Stopheka more. Stopheka more.
Come here. Can't be me. Now that's a disrespect.
Masha,
Respect me now.
we need men like that. Umtila, that's not gonna grab her things. That's not gonna grab her things, though. He's playing it smart. So totally love and that's just gonna grab her from the get-go. Ufuna ukudisqualifya. Watch out. Abanye baqupha.
Next time, no.
Next time.
Yeah.
But think about it. My sister ufuna ukubanjwa, umuntu ongamazi first time niyahangana usufuna ukubanjwa. Wena wescratch.
Saba.
Namashu.
Hey, I was Jailang. Hey, okay, I was Jailang. My sister is fine. You guys can sleep. Hey, Nkapunukaga food. Full room.
Sharp, mama.
They want the room. Think about it.
Is that saying start screen song? Takes up the whole screen.
Bam fall rao. Utshwara magete. Utshwara sehuba. Utshwara la sehuba ba le rao. You guys don't be sleeping out here, man. Come on.
Out a little ad breaking on.
Not saying like that. Ngizwile ora ngizwanga. Shapa maZulu mo. So why ucabanga ukuthi abakuchuzanga?
Mina uthanda ngicabanga ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi it's like alungifanele kodwa ke nake
It looks like love doesn't look good on you.
yeah kodwa ke mina
Maybe when you try gym, you can even gym the muscle of the love.
Bayamzama kafoni. Bayamzama kafoni. Bakutshela ukuthi ulekhapha ulaleli. Sikusize kanjani?
ngicela umuntu angithandekile into engiyiyona nanokuthi kuze ngi-impress ngishintshe umzimba wami ukuze abantu
Do you think this is how you are?
yeah ngiyakholelwa ukuthi iyona ndlela engiyiyona.
Okay, wena brother, why do you think they didn't choose you?
Othi nje yabona uNkulunkulu uyangithanda.
How? UNkulunkulu uyangithanda. Ayibona.
Izinto ezingangifanele uyayisusa eduze kwami.
Yeah.
Yilokho nje.
Abuke intombi embi kathi uNkulunkulu yakufanela le. Leni yakufanela le.
Thula umthwalo.
Yeah, uNkulunkulu
ngesizulu sesipedi. Wena brother, why you think about choose?
Mina bare ke Alexander Brisbane tema.
Arngwanyanola you wela ku.
Utlekela le ke bare ke Alexander Brisbane tema.
Eish,
Bare ke phala.
now I have only 2 options
Sure.
left for you guys.
Huh?
And if you don't get a person,
Okay.
hey,
That's gonna happen.
Uyekhaya boy.
can I have the ladies? Can I have the ladies in the house? So we're gonna call the ladies, so they're gonna choose. I'm gonna call the last lady that didn't have a person and she didn't have chance to be buzzed off. So she's gonna try to choose from one of the guys.
Uyaropa. Did you see him? Mbukeni.
One is gonna try to choose from one of the guys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah.
Ozomkapa kunjalo. He doesn't know.
Take this number back, bro.
Fanele alazi iqiniso angikhethe ngazi kunokuthi akhethe into engayona.
Lona uyolala yedwa lo.
Jump until you make it. I put that thing back.
Ngikholelwa kwiqiniso mina.
Mina ke
I'll make a bag, but can I have the ladies back that side?
Abamkhethela kanjani lona?
What's your name?
I'm Mpho.
Yes. So Mpo here this side, ne? Why?
Guys, I want to stand in line because exciting.
I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking.
You started.
Okay, so
You understand how they broke your heart? So now you're gonna pick food. So I have only 3 options left in the house. Which among these men can be your weapon?
oh my God. Is this the best you could do though?
So you know what you have to just do?
Nibabonke, in translation, you guys are ugly.
This thing, hold it.
Oh no.
Is this the best you could do though?
So you know what you have to just do? You go with this thing, hold it. If you don't like him, you buzz it. You speak with him. If you don't like it, you buzz it. You go to the next one. If you don't like it, you buzz it. You go to the third one. If you don't like it, you buzz it. But you can't buzz everyone.
No, but I'm asking, is this the best you could
Now she's pushing it now. She's pushing it, man. You come on, pezu. I can't go that bad, dog. I can't go that bad.
Yes.
She's showing symptoms of Delulu now.
All that's left for me.
This is the leftovers of the house.
Yeah.
Hayi madoda le.
Kubi madoda. Kubi. Kubi.
This guy.
Hi.
Hello njani?
Ngiyaphila. Njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Igama uMpho nuba.
My brother has accepted fate. Buka lona. Buka lona obheke phansi. He's accepted fate. Yabona lana unqualified.
Igama Sibonelo.
Yes.
So Sibonelo, what brings you here?
Yeah, uthando nje kufuna uthando. Anokuthi ngekholela uthandeni.
Awukwazi ukushela.
Kwesinye isikhathi noma ungashela
Umdala kangaka. Umdala kangaka.
uthanda kakuthanda. Yabo.
So estradeni sohlulekile.
Imadoda.
Yeah. Ngoba uNkulunkulu
Yena ufunani lana? Why is he judging the man? Ufunani yena lana?
la uyazi ukuthi why.
Salayo nayo lana my brother. Okusalayo.
Sawubona njani?
Ngiyaphila ntokazi kanjani?
Ishu.
Phone ba.
Hayi mina ngibonga usangakho manje ntokazi.
Oh, okay.
Ngiyama.
I just have one question for you.
Yeah, ntokazi.
How do you feel about polyandry?
Yini polyandry manje? Yini polyandry? Indaba yazi mfethu sisimple sinabezulu ositshela ngepolyandry. Yini leyo?
Yabona ke.
Polyandry.
Hayi wesisi ngizoyisho lento ngesizulu, yabona. Polyandry bandlo.
Yazi ngempela.
Hayi kanti mntakwethu ufuna
Polyandry.
Yeah.
Did you go to school?
How me going there I'll be
How far did you get?
ngicela ngomoya kaNkulunkulu ngicela kukhona yebo amateknology ngitekho ngaya nasecollege lapha
The polyandry. Asazi.
ngenza electrical engineering ntokazi.
So are you an electrical engineer?
Amsebenza ngotholi mama.
Yo.
Ngizobuya.
The one right.
Sawubona bhuti njani?
Hayi inkinga isingeke sesizosiqhatha.
Usaya kanjani ngo disqualified? Ngo disqualified akathule. You shut up.
Do you take this seriously? Into esiyenza la uyithatha serious. Manje kutheni ufaka amanqapsi?
Uthi ngibonise ukuthi ngiyajima angijima.
Ujima ngamanqapsi. Ujima ngamanqapsi ufaka nekepisi endlini abakufundisanga kini ukuthi awuthwale endlini.
Oh. Thanda inkani yakho.
Somebody needs to remind her she's not a 10 out of 10. I'm serious dog. Somebody needs to.
Kuya kuwena electrical engineer.
Mthatha electrical engineer wakho lo.
Washa.
Bidilo.
Washa. Uzo engineer lo Thando.
Bengakuthokozela uNkulunkulu.
Oh.
Angikubongisa.
Awukahle.
Ngikubongisa.
Awume.
Bekamhleka. Guys, bekamhleka and you got the hand. Bekamhleka.
Move on the same thing. Access again. You guys move this side. You go.
Yes, upon hambolala.
Can we have the girl here? I'm one Mars. I'm sorry.
Mbane makhaya ke manje sekulate.
Left over.
Bamrobile lawyer.
Beautiful. From
They
the
were removing the competition.
Tatanga.
Hayibona.
Bamali legends. So you take this, right? Whoever you don't.
Guys, the sound is echoing, eh?
Press the bar.
The sound is echoing.
Abasalanga labantu bakhona.
Ah, lo muntu lona omixele audio.
You speak and you feel like you don't feel. You buzz. How? Hey.
Akaplash uyahleka. Uyahleka.
If you buzz them all, it's turbulent. You guys are dating 3 of you guys. Now you are the relationship of the house. 3 of you guys. You have to take one. We enforce love. You gotta go to them. We enforce love to you guys. Yes. Enforce.
In translation, that love means you're ugly.
Igama Sibonelo Nkosazana.
You can't speak to them twice. Speak.
Oh, man, khuluma nayi
No Sibonelo. I want.
Ufuna boyi-2 kodwa ke.
Oh, peg again.
Ngiyadlala. Uthena uSibonelo.
Yeah, igama Sibonelo Nkosazana.
Iskomo.
Wakwabhala.
Uphuma phi?
Ngokuphuma ngenza le Eastern Cape lakhona lekhaya.
Okay.
Yeah.
Igama?
Nkateko.
Bani?
Nkateko.
Nkateko.
Yeah.
Oh, suka nini Nkateko is even twisting the head.
Pretoria.
From Pretoria. Ayingeke
Babonke.
ngithatha lo.
Ay, wawela, at least.
Why?
Bravo, at least. Orlando Pirates, at last did one. Okay.
Mara Aisha,
Hard for the first time and then, yeah, eish, Prague.
Oh, suka nini?
Doesn't help, yeah?
Suka nini? Yeah, sema Prague.
Ungenza umuntu ebantwini.
yeah.
Wazama, boy.
Zamile ne?
Awungizamile mama.
Sizoba-right.
Yazi inhliziyo yami.
Yabona manje inkinga ilana. The relationship isiqala kabi. It's like manje intombazane ezamulova. Now the guy is automatically underneath her. Iqala kabi relationship.
You have almost, I wouldn't say, because I guess I'm a trauma
Yeah.
but almost the most yellowish girl in the house. Yellow, lo.
Siyabonga mama.
Ill put, you know what's a pumpkin?
Yeah.
This kind of things. Okay, sharp, you guys can move actually. Yeah, you go, yeah, phezulu. Yeah, ngoyangala, we ahambe naye.
Phela sangifuna ukumlandela umuntu.
Hey.
Siyabonga mama.
Hey.
Ambolala put.
Hey, Barawak.
Hey,
Hey.
I don't want to see that sign, please.
Oh, you're right.
Hey, I get right.
Hey. Hey. So why you think they don't choose you, bro? Maybe Ngarwa Bachaba. Uchaba Wasadi.
Mara ya mna kifihle kwana. Kana utla ke simolla ke re Pretoria fela jo ai a ke itse man.
Yeah, but like STI.
Hey, ba re shimele.
Pitori. Was never Hetfield. Acadia wa tseba strata sela.
Ya ke yone ke tsaba.
Tseba summit.
Ke tsontse ke
Sama ba re keng yeah.
e wela.
So then what are we going to do with you, brother?
Amzamile though. Mamtshela isikrat ukuthi hambo zamalana twin.
Mara tseba rire. Ska wa. Ya go di mngeta ubotsa.
Oh, finally something ya.
Ska wa.
O tla pizza no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo! Abamati.
Uzothola imvuthu kodwa ngizokutshela bayatshela uzokuzama nga something kodwa imvuthu bhuti wami.
I don't know why ladies don't want tall and handsome.
Why do they want that short and ugly? Nami ngixakekile though. Lapho uthi mbukeni. I don't get it though. Guys, let's understand this real quick before we leave. Let's understand this. Kanjani ukuthi kuwina short and ugly? In my perspective as a Bru, no Bru's handsome to me then. No one. How come kuzowina short and ugly? This is proof the game is rigged. Buka lo mchita.
At least, bravo. At least. Orlando Pirates, at least, at last did one. Okay.
Mara
Mhlambe it was Damkaba, guys. Damkaba was giving money. I can't lie. Mhlambe it was Damkaba. He knew it from the jump. He was like, "Hayi ngizokufisha umkhaba." Chaza ukuthi la ngaphandle kunemali. Apecha mina. Type shit. Anyways, I'll check you guys in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Peace out.